Alright. I'm gonna be recording for hours. Oh my gosh, doing the thing again. Is it actually? Is it cutting off a little bit? No. But it's time. Hours of footage. We're gonna find everything. Let's go. First thing. Oh, on the wrong side. Alright. All of this will be unedited because you expect me to edit hours long, sorry, not just hour long. But yeah, extremely long footage. I can't even edit yet. Alright, we're hopping through each floor. Okay, cool. Something here. Yeah, I've been here once already. Yeah. Okay. I have not been here yet. Wait, green door. What's it? I recognize this place. Wait, is this how to get to the... Wait, let me get this straight. Hey, no, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Do I hear? Yeah, not even mine. It does. Wait, what? Wait, I've been there. Okay, we're going back because I've already been here. Oh, it's gonna be a difficult video. I know that there's nothing in here, but there's just the fact that it's so empty. Like, they beyond liminal devs and kenopsic devs, you really know how to make an environment. It's already been down there. So let's keep it descending the floors. Okay, now we're on the shopping cart floor, and I know this is not a shopping cart. What is this thing? What is this? Alright, I don't remember this, I think. Never mind, I do. Gotta walk around all the way to there. So I shouldn't have. Oh, I should try and get somebody on here. Alright, they're not here, but we'll see. We'll see if they'll be here. Oh, what is all this? Can I? Oh. I don't think I've been here. Are you telling me I hear something? Okay, so that's most likely above us, because that is the level 3 theme in Beyond the Middle. Yeah, I know my stuff. So we're here. Okay. Yeah, I recognize that. It's gonna be probably extremely boring. If it turns out to just be me in this server, I'm leaving immediately. Yeah, I remember being here. The red ghetto. Oh no, that's a dead end. Yeah. This is neat. I like it. I'm gonna have to like explore all of these ones. Probably this time. I am going to be sending all of my new findings to my friend. Pretty sure y'all know them by now. Oh yeah. So when the pink sun badge came out, how I was scrambling. Like it was basically impossible to get out of your head. And this is one spot where I found the exact thumbnail page of where the badge was. I think I've been there. This theme reminds like Super Mario 64. No limit to the LARP, no limit to the LARP. But I love when they update the game. They change certain things to give the game just that fresh feel of, you know, the actual backrooms. Ever changing. Any hallway that you think you once knew, it could always just be different. Open says over here. Yeah, that was cool. Oh, why'd I lag? Why did I lag? Is there? So there is. Fuck no. Fuck no. I think I'm gonna end it there.